Welcome to English Lexicon Hub, where we explore language through stories. Today, we're taking a journey into the tiny world of ants to discover big life lessons. Our tale, The Ant Colony's Secret, will not only improve your English vocabulary, but also share wisdom from these small but mighty creatures. So, let's shrink down to ant size and see what we can learn. In a lush forest, a tiny ant named Alex lived in a bustling colony. One day, while carrying a leaf twice his size, he stumbled and dropped it. Frustrated, Alex was about to give up when he noticed his fellow ants. Some were carrying pebbles, others twigs, and a few were even moving seeds larger than themselves. None of them stopped, no matter how difficult their task seemed. Inspired, Alex picked up his leaf and continued his journey. He realized the first lesson: persistence is key to success. As Alex worked, he observed how seamlessly the ants communicated and cooperated. When one ant found food, it left a scent trail for others to follow. When another needed help, nearby ants immediately assisted. Alex thought, "We're stronger together." He had learned the second lesson: teamwork makes the impossible possible. Weeks passed, and the colony faced a challenge. Heavy rains flooded part of their home. Without hesitation, the ants formed living bridges with their bodies, allowing others to cross safely. Alex joined in, amazed at how they sacrificed for the greater good. The third lesson became clear: sometimes we must put others before ourselves. As the season changed, Alex noticed the ants storing food for winter. They worked tirelessly, preparing for the future. Alex realized the fourth lesson: plan ahead and be prepared for challenges. One day, a young ant approached Alex, struggling with a heavy load. Remembering his own early days, Alex offered guidance and encouragement. The young ant's eyes lit up with gratitude. Alex smiled, understanding the final lesson: share your knowledge and help others grow. As the sun set on another busy day, Alex looked at his colony with pride. He realized that these tiny creatures had taught him more about life than he could have imagined. From that day on, Alex shared these lessons with every new ant in the colony, ensuring that the wisdom of the ants would continue for generations to come. Now, let's explore some of the more challenging words from our story. These words will help expand your English vocabulary and make you a stronger language learner. Let's break them down. Bustling, very busy and full of activity. Stumbled, lost balance or tripped while walking. Frustrated, feeling upset or annoyed because you can't do something. Persistence, continuing to do something even when it's difficult. Seamlessly, smoothly, without any problems or interruptions. Cooperated, worked together to achieve something. Immediate, happening right away, without delay. Sacrifice, giving up something important for a greater cause. Tirelessly, working very hard without stopping to rest. Gratitude, the feeling of being thankful. Our ant adventure has come to an end, but the lessons live on. Remember, like Alex and his colony, you're part of a larger community of English learners. Each word you learn, each story you understand, brings you closer to fluency. Keep working hard, support each other, and never give up. Until our next linguistic journey, this is English Lexicon Hub, where every word counts and every story teaches. If you enjoyed this story and learned something new, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Lexicon Hub for more exciting language lessons and stories.